Hello everyone. Welcome to the second video of this channel. Today we will see the sum of vectors, or first we'll see the sum of two vectors. So the first and the most basic law is triangle law. So let's see what does the triangle law says. Okay. So the triangle law says if you have two vectors, suppose this A and suppose this B. So you join these two vectors. I am joining these two vectors here. Okay, so this A vector and this B vector. Okay, this is B vector A and B. So the triangle law says uh, if you have two vectors, then first you will draw first vector and then put the tail of second vector to the head of first vector, like what I have did here. Okay, so the resultant vector would be this vector, the tail of first one to the head of second one. So this vector would be called A vector plus B vector. Okay. So this is A vector plus B vector, and this is also called the resultant vector. Remember just one thing, that the uh, head of the first vector should also be aligned with tail of the second vector. That's the basic law in any vector if you have to sum up. Okay, so let's see some mathematics here. Okay, so we will draw a triangle to understand it more. Okay, so make a right angle triangle, right? Okay, I'll draw it by hand. No issue. Okay, so let's take it as the first vector. Let's take it as B vector, like second vector. Let's say B. First vector is A, and the resultant vector is A plus B vector. This is A plus B vector. Okay, A plus B vector. All the vector sign here, A and B, so you remember that. Okay, so let's name this. Let name this as alpha. Okay, I have some writing issues, but we will manage as the channel grows. This is alpha, and let's make another vector or line here. So this one. So let's name this as theta, and let's name this as beta. This one beta, and this is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree, and let's name this vertex as okay, so let's name this Q, let's name this O, this is P, and this is N, right? So let's see now. PQ, uh, P here, Q here. So PQ is B vector, right? I have written here, and OP is A vector. Okay, so PQ, so PQ equals to B, and cos theta. Okay, this one theta, so cos theta, cos theta, cos theta equals to Pn by Pq, Pn by Pq, and sine theta is sine theta Qn by Pq, okay, and Qn equals to b sine theta, okay, Qn equals to b sine theta as Pq, P and Q is b, so Qn is equals to b sine theta, right, and Pn equals to b cos theta as Pq equals to b, so Pn equals to b cos theta, right. So now in triangle ONQ, see here in triangle ON and Q, let's see, in ON and Q, in triangle ONQ, okay, in triangle ONQ, let's see here, OQ square equals to ON square plus NQ square. We learn it as Pythagoras, so we will write that OQ square equals to ON square equals to, sorry, not equals, ON square plus NQ square, right. So we'll put the values. OQ is equals to root of ONC, ON is equals to A plus Pn, and Pn equals to B cos theta, we have written, right. So A plus B cos theta square, A plus B cos theta square, इसका whole square actually, plus B sin theta square, B sin theta square, okay, this is, so let's expand this, and if we expand this, the result would become as A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, okay. So this would be the final result. O and Q, our final vectors are O and Q. See here, O and Q. This final vector is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay, so this is the result we came, and this A, B are the magnitudes of the vector. So we will see some next cases in another video. Thank you for watching that. Goodbye.